What is up, my crypto legends? How is everyone doing? Is the price of Bitcoin breaking down at this moment? We're having a little bit of momentum to the downside, but, and this is a big but, guys, that we have hardly any volume. Okay, if we do zoom in on the price action here, we can see, we have been getting squeezed in. We've had very boring price action, of course, because of the holidays. Okay, today is the 27th and the markets are open, so we're getting a little bit of more volatility, but not much. The S&P 500 is getting a slight drop here, but it's getting a recovery. I'm going to show you a potential pattern that is forming right now on the S&P 500, guys. This is going to be a quick live stream because I got to catch a plane. I am going skiing, but I will be doing the video updates, of course. Won't be doing any live streams for the next week. I'll just be doing video updates. I think a lot of people prefer video updates and live streams because on the live streams, I talk too much and don't go straight to the point. But we're going to talk about the S&P 500. If the S&P 500 does get a bounce here and still continues creating a higher low in the immediate short term, this is looking at the 4 hourly. We can take a look at the 1 hourly chart. Okay, we did actually have a gap to the upside. We talked about this on yesterday's update. We were creating a kind of a double bottom. We were just at this range. We were likely to create a gap and potentially even go higher. We didn't reach the highs quite here. I thought we were going to go higher in the immediate short term, but there is a potential pattern that we are forming right now, which is a diamond bottom pattern, guys. Okay, if you do take a look at this kind of price action, okay, we've got a massive wick in the middle. If we do manage to have these next couple of hours closing, okay, at this range and getting a decent bounce, there is a possibility, okay, there is a possibility that we might be forming a diamond pattern here, guys, okay, which is a reversal pattern, of course. Now, diamond bottom pattern, right, of course, coming from a downtrend, it's a reversal pattern. If we do manage to get a bounce here, this is going to be looking pretty good, all right, for the next couple of days. If we do get a bounce and start coming to the lower high range, this does look like it is going to finally break to the upside. Now, we've got massive amount of resistance at this 3,920 points approximately, where we do have the 2-year point of control. It's been a proven resistance and support level. But this pattern is looking pretty powerful. There is a possibility in breaking here to the upside if we do manage to consolidate here in the next coming hours or couple of days at this range and get a bounce. If we start getting below this low over here, it is not going to be looking good, of course. Then this is likely to have that continuation to the downside and Bitcoin will be breaking down. Now, the thing about Bitcoin is getting a pretty nice bounce at this moment. Now, the main reason why is because we haven't really broken down with a large amount of volume. We talked about this pattern yesterday. We are getting squeezed in lower highs and higher lows, as you can see on the chart. It is actually getting a little bit of volatility at this moment. I think the S&P 500 is getting a pretty nice bounce as we speak. Getting a little bit of a bounce. I was just going to mention this on today's stream. This is not a breakout, and this is also not a breakout, especially when you have no volume. We want to see a massive spike in volume. Okay, this is very, very small volume. There's no intention. There's no hard volume here for that potential direction. So no volume breakout, then it's not a breakout, of course. When we talked about yesterday's scenario, we want to see a massive move with a huge amount of volume. That will confirm, of course, that we are getting out of this zone. There's no more interest to be in this zone, and we are breaking out of it with a large amount of volume. Once this happens, I will take action on my trading. I will be looking on how we're going to react at this zone over here. Like I mentioned yesterday, we got a daily level. We also be hitting the 7/8 fib level if we do come down to $16,400 range. Depending on how we react at that level, I will take action. Right now, these are only just little fake outs. We've got a small little fake out to the upside. We've got a small little fake out to the downside. We're back in this range, okay? We are not getting out of this range. Also, we just hit the value area low. We were at the value area high, okay? Looking from the 20th of December till today. This is 7 days. value area low, getting a bounce, as you can see, not managing to break down. So, hey, this is possibly finally going to get that leg up. Let's just wait and see. There's no volume. This is a fake out to the upside. I think people probably getting into long positions, getting stopped out, people getting into short positions. This is not a successful breakout just yet, okay? There is no volume, and it's a tiny little move. When we break out, we want to see a big move, bang, with massive volume. Then I'm saying, hey, we're breaking down now. Now we're breaking down, and now we can look for our trading opportunities. Of course, if we were to get that successful breakdown in the next coming hours, then of course, where am I trading? The highest probability trade on this breakdown here would be, like I said, large volume, wait for the retracement here, wait for a bounce, and then look for major resistance zones. And how, of course, are we going to take a look at those resistance levels? Well, I'll be taking a look at the value area range, okay? This entire value area, this $16,670 is the value area low from this entire trading range, okay, from the 16th of December, looking at over 10 days. And, I will be looking, of course, at Fibonacci levels from the high to the low, all right? So I'll be aiming for, depending on where we bounce, of course, I'll be aiming for that 50%, 618. And if we do have clearly that volume, it is just very likely that we are going to create a lower high at this value area low zone, guys. Now, we haven't seen the breakdown with high volume. So, this is just going to range trade potentially now, get back into the zone. Maybe we're going to break up finally. Overall, I would prefer the price of Bitcoin to break up, guys. I would prefer it to break up. If I do see the price action successfully breaking down with high volume, I think this is going to break a little bit of my analysis. The analysis that I've been doing is likely that we are going to get this leg up. We've been talking about this for the last week almost, but there just hasn't been any volume. We've been just going sideways, so not much to say here on Bitcoin. Overall, if we were to go up there, guys, this is the moment I will also get into action. All right, I am not a breakout trader. I'm still in that long position, still in, partially in that long position from $16,600 range, okay? From that B count that we talked about a few days ago. This was on the 22nd of December. I'm still partially in that long position with the position protected. So, yeah, overall, even though it's just been boring and it looks like it's going to roll down, I still think that there is a possibility in getting the leg up. So, yeah, that would be the ideal scenario, guys, for me for taking action again, all right? No trading on Bitcoin. I've just got that position, took some profits here at this boring range. And these are the levels that I'm going to be taking action. We pump here to 17,200, 17,300. I'm just waiting for this. The price of Bitcoin cannot be here forever, okay? It cannot be here at this range as a stable coin forever. It needs to break out very soon. We're just getting squeezed here with a small little fake out to the upside, a little fake out to the downside. We're getting squeezed here with lower highs and higher lows, as you can see. So that, we are just hours away potentially of having finally that move to the next trading zone. And that is when I'm going to pay attention and take action, guys. I'm going to take action as soon as we get out from this zone. There's nothing more I can say, guys. I'm not speculating. Of course, I'm speculating, okay, that it will go up. With my analysis, I think there's a higher chance still to even go to these levels, okay, 17.2, 17.3K levels. Still sticking to that analysis. I'm longing this from all the way down here at 16.6 with position protected. So the only trading scenarios that I'm taking a look at in the next, coming hours, a couple of days, will be at 17.3, 17.2. We might have a little bit of volatility at that level. This is the moment I'm going to take a trading action. If we do have a breakdown with a large amount of volume, of course, it's going to be risky to long. There is massive support here at 16.3, 16.4. I'm not going to lie. I might take action if I'm in front of the charts and I see the drop might take action for a scalp long position because we do have a lot of support here, guys. Why is it support? Well, we do have that naked point of control, okay, from this volume traded on the 28th of November. Okay, it's a level that we haven't hit. It is also a daily level that we haven't hit from the 28th, 29th of November. Also, let me just confirm that. If it's 28th and 29th, it is exactly the 28th and 29th, as you can see here. So we got naked point of control, we got the daily level, and we have also have the value area low level, all right, which is slightly above, okay, but there's a lot of stuff there. There's a lot of stuff going on, you know, value area from this entire trading range is right over here. So it's going to be pretty curious on how we react at this low over here. Of course, you know, we've got several levels here where we could get a bounce. 16,400, 16,300, which is a value area low, 16,200, where we do have naked point of control and another daily level. You know, it's just a lot of levels here where we could get a bounce. I will be paying close attention, guys, because this low level is exactly at the value area low from this trading range in November and December. This is 2 months of trading range, okay? The value area low, where there's most of that volume, okay? Well, it's the low range of this area, okay, with a high volume. If we wick down and claim this level and get acceptance, you know, that is another trading idea that I'm looking for. A failed breakout from this low. What low? This low over here that was created on the 19th of December. That is... I mean, I know it's been extremely boring. Some people are trading altcoins. I don't trade altcoins that much. I usually trade, you know, the stock market S&P 500 on Prime XBT. I'm still in this short position, okay, from 3,890 points approximately. I did take most of the profits here at these lows because we did get a nice, you know, reaction, and I was, you know, looking for that double bottom to happen. So I closed, you know, 10 contracts out of 15. I've just left 5 contracts open, just in case, you know, we are going to go lower. I like to have a position protected and just there because, you know, especially when I think the trade is in my favor. So anyway, just trading S&P 500 and Bitcoin mainly. I know there's some nice volatility on some altcoins, but you know the deal, guys. You know, I know I can trade stock market and S&P because they have a lot of liquidity. There's not that much of manipulation. It's easier to trade, easier to get in and out. There's not that much volatility. I'm in a trade position here, and with the small volatility that we've had, I haven't got stopped out, and the position is protected. If it would have been an altcoin, you know, I couldn't have a position protected for a long time. It'd probably get stopped out very, very fast in a lot of the cases. So I'm mainly focusing on Bitcoin and S&P, guys. I don't need to trade altcoins, okay, because they're just a little bit too volatile in my opinion for a successful trading. Yes, you can make huge gains with altcoins, but also you can get stopped out many times on altcoins. All depending on how aggressive you are, guys. We're almost 500 people watching the live stream, okay? We're going to go through, you know, those scenarios that I'm waiting for here on Bitcoin, guys. It's just being patient. I'm being patient for my next potential trade. Please smash up that like button, guys. Come on. It's just, you know, we're over almost 500 people watching. We're not even 100 likes. So, yeah, not getting that much support. Wow. I did an interview to the marketing manager from Kasta, guys. Yeah, I mean, getting a little bit of hate. You know, this is not a scam project, guys. This is not a scams project. I know maybe you don't like, you know, what happened to the token or people that are promoting it. I know the team, they are working very hard and they're getting absolutely bashed. I feel really sorry for them because they are working very hard. There's big things coming on 2023. And yeah, I mean, what can I say? They're an excellent team. They're working very hard. You know, it's just, it's a shame because now, you know, 99% of crypto is down. There's a lot of scams out there. It is true. You know, look at FTX. What a fiasco. This is one of the largest crypto exchanges. You know, how can you get trust from any project? I know, man. I mean, it's insane. You know, it's insane. You know, the crypto market has been, the cryptocurrency space and projects have, you know, had a massive hit with this, especially with this FTX, you know, fiasco. It's been absolutely crazy. So how can I trust in a project? How can I trust on a mobile payments, you know, app? How can I trust it? I used it actually. I've used it many times. And of course, it's not a wallet, okay? I do use the Kasta app, and I have used it quite a few times in sending, crypto, Bitcoin, and no fees at all, and instant transactions. This is not a wallet though. I only use it for payments. I would not even put more than 2% of my entire portfolio on that app, okay? No hot wallets, I would put, more than 5%. No exchanges, I would put, this is like having crypto in an exchange. This is not a wallet. It is not an exchange. It's a payment system for fast transactions, okay, and free transactions. Zero fee transactions, okay. People got it really, really wrong, okay. I haven't got even 2% of my portfolio there, and I use it for fast transactions. And anyway, yeah, I just want to say these people are working very, very hard, and they will prove it in 2023. Major things are coming out. Anyway, just something that I wanted to point out because I feel really sorry. They're getting absolutely bashed. I'm getting bashed for talking about it, guys. I will not talk about a scam project. Of course, anything can turn into a scam, but I know the team very well. I know the project, and they're working very, very hard. Okay, so. I know a lot of people got confused. They don't like people that are promoting it. Probably people don't like, because of, the token situation. Hey, 99 of crypto is down over 90%. Everything's a scam right now, right? Everything is. So anyway, yeah, just wanted to point that out, guys. It's not fair. They're getting a lot of hate, and they are working hard. Big partnerships, big stuff coming. They want to get their crypto card out as well at some point in 2023, which I think is fascinating. Anyway, yeah, guys, I'm waiting for this scenario on Bitcoin. Basically, I'm gonna go through the comment section right away. And say hello. I can see Pac-Man here. Hi Andy, happy holidays, says to Honus. Hey, happy holidays, my man. Hope you have some great holidays. Very boring trading week. I know some altcoins are getting a little bit of more volatility, not much though even, but Bitcoin, man, oh wow, it is boring. It is absolutely boring. Anyway, I'm gonna go skiing. I will be doing video updates. I probably won't be doing much trading, maybe at night, but basically I will I got my alerts set on my mobile on this range over here and this range over here, just to see, I will get that alert on my phone. I'm waiting for a swing failure potentially from this low at $16,260, the low that was created. If it's a failed breakout, we get acceptance, okay? And this is going to take several hours, all right? Several hours. Get acceptance above this level. Bang, I'm going to get into a long position. If we do get that nice close and acceptance above $16,300 approximately, okay? That is what I'm waiting here. If we do get that wick down, get acceptance or failed auction, okay? Depending on what type of consolidation we have here, and a nice wick to the downside. Massive support, like I said, at 16.2, 16.3. 16.3 is value area low. We got the naked point of control from this level over here, and we got a daily level also from the 28th and 29th. So yeah, we're paying close attention to that range. We are still basically at the 618 level, okay? So if we do get Fibonacci from this low to the high, we'll be still, just kind of wicked below the 61865. The 7.8 is around about $16,100. 16,100, 7.8. It's another level. We got a lot of confluence at that range. It would be nice if I do see that drop, bang, 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 hit those levels and close above this low over here. This would be a very, very interesting long position if we do get that acceptance back, okay? If we fall and I get that alert on the phone, guys, and this is absolutely key, because a lot of people, will just randomly long from this level, thinking it's going to double bottom or whatever. Andy said this, Andy said it's going to potentially bounce. Yeah, potentially bounce if we wick below and get acceptance back above the $16,300, okay, above this low. If we do get acceptance back here again, then yes, I will be looking for a long position on that same retracement, potentially to this level over here. Why this level? Well, this is the level where we do have the point of control. If I am longing, guys, we need to know, our stop losses. Okay, stop loss would be below the wick if that is going to be the situation. If we do get that acceptance back above, where's going to be my take profit? Well, of course, I'll be looking at big resistance levels. The biggest resistance level right now is exactly here where we are currently trading, $16,800. That is the point of control. This is a level where we are likely going to get a rejection if we were to get this bounce, okay? It's definitely a take profit zone, all right? There won't be much resistance. I think the fall here can be relatively fast. Got a, value area low a little bit right there, probably getting close to this range would be a nice take profit because it's huge resistance. So yeah, I'm looking for this kind of scenario. This is my trading setup. I long strong support levels, wait for a failed breakout swing failure pattern, or I either wait for the resistance levels for shorting, guys. 17,300. This is proven to be one of the strongest levels from this range over here. Why? Because it has been respected as resistance here. As you can see, perfect touches here at this level. We got a small little bounce as support. We explained why we broke this, because we were already in the 5 waves ascending channel and this was just ready for that breakdown. If this level is hit, 17,300, and we do get that reaction, this is a level for me for shorting. I got that alert set. I'm gonna, this is the level I'm gonna pay attention to short. There is the massive crazy scenario of the price action doing this, and just absolutely exploding. Then of course I'm not gonna short this. If we don't get that small little reaction and have good risk management, you're probably gonna wick, have a little consolidation, and tight stop losses. I might get stopped out once, with a tight loss, and wait for another consolidation. If I do see those failed moves to the upside, double top, triple top scenario, potentially getting stopped out once with very good risk management, then don't worry. If I do get stopped out like this, a small amount, okay, but my take profit is like 4 or 5 times my stop loss, you at the end you are going to make some gains, right? So it's going to be a little bit tricky waiting for that reaction at 17,300. If we were to hit it, if we were to hit that level, that is my trading zone, guys. I think there's a high probability scenario. We'll be hitting 50% fib level from this high to the low. That level has to have a reaction. It is the value area high range, okay, from the volume traded here on the 10th of November till today. You can see that range approximately around about this level, 17,250, 17,300. That level needs to get a reaction with high probability, guys. 50% fib level, respected level, value area high. We broke out from this ascending channel scenario. This is just likely going to be a lower high. We might get a little bit of crazy volatility, but this is highly probable that it's going to get rejected. I'm just waiting for that level, guys. We've just been trading here for over a week. It's been absolutely boring. There's some scalp scenarios here, but yeah, I'm not doing much scalping. I'm taking a little bit of time off as well from my trading, enjoying family, enjoying friends, going skiing, this week. And then, of course, January, I'm back here on the 3rd of January. Full on time, guys. Just like these couple of last few weeks, this has been absolutely insane since this low, because if we go to, we can go to further price action, okay, here as well. But the latest that I remember from the last few weeks, this has been an insane couple of weeks. From mid-November, it's been absolutely crazy. Been one of my best couple of trading weeks that I've ever had has been inside of this zone. It's been absolutely epic. You old subscribers know about it. We've been absolutely nailing every single movement here. On the price action on Bitcoin. You can check the videos out if you don't believe me, but it's been absolutely crazy sharing my trades. So a little bit of time off, have some holidays, Still going to continue with some updates. Price action is boring anyway, but yeah, I'm just waiting patiently like a good trader for the next zones to finally pull the trigger, you know, like a sniper, and protect positions very quickly, you know, waiting for those scenarios. And that's basically it, guys. That is basically it. There is a possibility on the S&P 500 to form this diamond bottom pattern. I'm probably going to get stopped out from this small position that I got left on that short. You know, this does look pretty powerful for that potential diamond. The only good thing, the only bad thing, of course, is that we do have a lot of resistance at 3,900 point range. This is the point of control from the volume traded the last 2 years on the stock market, on the S&P. If we do take a look at volume profile, that is the point of control, exactly at 3,912 points approximately, looking at the ES mini futures. So yeah, well, I do like this formation. You know, this is a clear diamond bottom pattern, you know, and you know, for whoever doesn't know, this is usually a reversal pattern. There's a lot of resistance. It could end up in a fake out. There's a lot of resistance here at 3,900 points, okay? But whoever's not aware of what is a diamond bottom pattern, it's a formation, it's a reversal pattern. As you can see right over here on the picture, okay? Very nice similarities here. You could have a little bit of, you know, a couple of more touches, less touches. There are several types of diamonds, you know, ones that don't hardly touch the resistance and support levels. But yeah, basically, this is what I can see on the S&P 500. And it might have a little bit of a spike up. If it manages to get above the point of control, then I'll be thinking, hey, the S&P 500 does have a chance to go to higher levels. This is the most important level on the S&P 500, the 3,900 points in the immediate short term. If it does manage to get a pretty nice break above that level, you know, we do obviously have some more resistance of lower highs. I mean, but it's the first big major level to start thinking, hey, this does have a chance. Do you know most of the people are bearish on the S&P 500? Most of the people are in short positions. Most of the people are trying to short aggressively the stock market. And you know, this, I'm a little bit skeptical about this because short squeeze could happen, a breakout could happen, and this will get a lot of people, you know, very surprised. I'm in shorts, I protect, I take profits, so you know, obviously I would not be affected by this move, and I would be analyzing if we were to get above the point of control with high volume, guys. So far, it looks like, you know, we could be forming that diamond bottom pattern. If this does manage to get a breakout successfully in the next couple of days before Friday, obviously this will be good for Bitcoin. It will help Bitcoin finally get that pump, right, to that 17.2, 17.3, even 17.4 maybe, for that stock market is pumping. Then I'll be very much interested in looking for those trading scenarios, those short positions at that level. Let's see how we react at this range. If we start consolidating like this, wow, I'm shorting. I will be shorting that level if we do get a stop there and consolidate. Stock market, S&P, if you do get that leg up, of course, we do have the point of control from the volume traded the last couple of months, which is exactly at this level over here, 3,950, 60 points. You know, that would be more or less the kind of the projected move, which is the center part of the diamond. Well, it's a bit higher actually. This is like the textbook projected move. I wouldn't pay much attention on this, right? This is, for me, these are not tradable patterns, okay? It's just to show you that we are probably going to have a reversal in the immediate short term. So yeah, not much to point out, guys. Happy New Year, everyone. Bufo, thank you for joining. 18 likes. Okay, I haven't read the comment section, guys. Thanks for the insane support. GamePro, sorry for not reading the comment section. The best YouTuber is back, says Gregory Van. Hey, thank you very much. Very kind words of you. Yo, happy new year when it comes, says Philip. Yeah, happy new year. I probably will be doing a video update. Stay safe. Let's go BTC 10k or lower. Hey, if we go to 10k, I will be buying, I don't know how many, but several Bitcoin on a live stream, guys. If we do go below $10,000, I will go live and we'll start buying Bitcoin live, guys. I'll tell you that. You know, I'll make that a promise. I'll make that a promise, okay? Let me know, guys. You subscribers, remember, when this happens, let me know in the comment section. You know, obviously, I will be saying, hey, I'm buying Bitcoin, but we'll be doing it live. We're buying several Bitcoin live. Hey, we're below 10K. This is an absolute, you know, gift of God. And I'll be just buying Bitcoin on the live stream. It'll be absolutely amazing. It'll be, it'll be amazing because the price of Bitcoin is likely not going to be several years below 10K, right? It's going to be likely maybe a couple of months if we are lucky. If we are lucky, it might be a few months below 10K, and you know that'll be even better. So I'm not sure if we are going to get that, you know, that gift of God of sub 10K Bitcoin. I've got a bunch of stable coins that I want to dump into Bitcoin if we go sub 10K. Let's buy together and create a V-shaped recovery, says Emre. Yes, that is correct. I know a lot of people want to buy sub 10K Bitcoin. A lot of people want to buy below $10,000. Let us get some more up and down swings. It is profitable and better than to wait for the ideal entry point. Yes, very true. Very true, Adri. Yeah, very true. Hi, Andy, my phenomenal legend, says Queen Games. Hey, how are you doing? Thanks for joining. Mirror Protocol makes last day a big pump. Can you look at it, Andy, says Michael. Let's take a look at this one. Why not? Sorry, guys, for not reading the comment section. Pac-Man, thank you very much for joining the live stream. I can see you over here in the comment section. Sorry for not reading the comment section today, guys. Much. Really sorry. And I really have to go. I need to go and catch a flight right now. I'm catching a flight to go skiing, guys. I'm going skiing. So I need to catch a flight in about 4 hours from now. So I need to get ready. And yeah, this is what I'm waiting for Bitcoin. I can see this on the stock market. Guys, you know, remember that I do use PrimeXBT and also Bybit. They're my favorite trading platforms. This is where I have most of my trading funds, okay? It's on PrimeXBT and on Bybit. You do get an insane bonus down below. And it's another way to support the channel, okay? If you're not experienced, you don't know what you're doing, do not use these links, guys. Trading is extremely risky. This is for experienced people that, you know, kind of know what they're doing and, you know, they're not risking more than they're willing to lose. Then you can use the links down below, okay? Bybit, you can grab $30,000 worth of bonus. You need to follow the steps at the rewards hub, okay? All depends on how much you deposit and the steps that you follow. But $30,000 worth of bonus is, hey, it's a pretty nice bonus that they do have. PrimeXBT, you get 7% added to your deposit. You know, some people might think, hey, why are you talking about these two exchanges? It's because, one, you can trade stock market, you can trade oil, you can trade gold, you know, all of these different markets using crypto as collateral, all right? It's not because I want to, you know, promote a huge amount of exchanges, you know. I like to trade stock market using Bitcoin as collateral. It's phenomenal. You know, my idea here is to accumulate Bitcoin with my trading. On Bybit, I use mainly USDT, stablecoin, okay? PrimeXBT, I'm trading stock market so I can accumulate, you know, with my gains, some Bitcoin, which is, I think it's insane. It's phenomenal. You know, it's great. It's a great exchange, this PrimeXBT, guys. Anyway, they're the ones that I use. You know, if you want to help me here on YouTube to continue with the analysis on Bitcoin and S&P 500 and some altcoins, yeah, it'll be, you know, it'll be nice for you to use the links in the description. Andy, where are you skiing? In Bulgaria. I'm going to Bulgaria. Hope you're not going to ski in Austria. There is no snow. Yeah, there's hardly any snow in a lot of places, but they got the artificial snow. So yeah, I mean, at least it's something. At least artificial snow It's still very soon. Best time for skiing, in Europe is obviously, end of January, February. They're the best seasons. Now it's getting too hot. What's happening in the world? Global warming. I can't wait for your benchmark course. Hey, the course will be out in January. I cannot give any dates, unfortunately, because, I'm going away now for a week. I'll be back. I'll be focusing, but the private Discord is going to be something, guys. I will be doing full analysis on S&P 500, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. I will concentrate a lot on Ethereum as well for our trading opportunities. We'll be sharing charts. We'll be doing private live streams as well, apart from YouTube. But, this is going to be a private subscription. So you can actually, your learning curve in trading is going to go faster. Anyway, I'm very excited for this. Hopefully I'm going to create a nice community and we're going to be very, very profitable together. My friend is currently skiing in Bulgaria. You probably see him. Yeah, well, let me know who he is in the comment section. Come skiing in Colorado, Andy. We can hang out Father Time. Hey, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Good things take time. Yeah, exactly, Emre. Good things take time. Don't worry. I'm working very hard on it. Obviously, I'm going to take a little bit of a break. I'll be doing video updates. But yeah, next week, January 2023 is going to be our trading year, guys. Of course, I'm going to still continue with YouTube, no doubt. But I'll be focusing a lot, every single day, with the people that are paying a private subscription, right? Where we're going to do massive analysis, huge amount of trades. Just like when we did at the Bybit competition, guys, we created a small little group and I was posting, really nice trades. I think it was a total of 13 trades and 2 of them got stopped out, okay? It wasn't much because I'm very, very technical and I'm very patient, guys. The Bybit competition was 20 days and I only managed to share 13 trades. And just with 13 trades, we were ranked 24 or 25. I can't remember, guys. I think I saved a screenshot. Out of 600 teams, it was absolutely amazing. And I only shared 13 trades. Of course, there were other people there who were having more trades. They had more percentage gains than me. But yeah, we did pretty good. 24, 25, or 26 even. I can't remember. Out of 600 and something groups, teams, it was pretty amazing. There's a big people trading there on Bybit, And you might think if we're a small little Bitcoinsensus community to be ranked 26 on the Bybit competition, this is a world trading competition. I shared 13 trades, I remember. It's still in the Telegram group, that private Telegram group for the ones that joined. And yeah. Anyway. Private Discord launch in January with the course also attached with the private Discord. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Ignore that question. I'm laughing so hard. Okay. How much fee? Well, I'm still discussing this. BTC breaking down. BTC is breaking down. Yeah, it's having a little bit of move down. Yeah, but like I said, it's not having a large amount with volume, okay? We need a large amount of volume. There is some volume, but not much, guys. I want to see a big breakdown. Then is when I'm going to take a reaction at this level from this low or in the bounce, guys. On that bounce is where I'll be looking for shorts after the successful breakout with high volume. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. I need to leave. Hopefully you're going to get, I will be doing a video update tomorrow, okay? I'll be doing video updates for the next week, all right? People like video updates. Live streams sometimes are boring, too much talk. Video updates of 10, 12 minutes, straight to the point on Bitcoin and stock market to see those levels and see those potential reactions, guys. Thank you very much for joining. Smash up the like button if you want on your way out, and I will see you in the next one.